Yajurveda Aranyaka, exploring rituals and contemplation in the wilderness. Abstract. The Yajurveda Aranyaka, positioned between the Yajurveda Brahmanas and the philosophical Upanishads, presents a fascinating fusion of rituals and spiritual contemplation. This article delves into the unique attributes, themes, structure, and contributions of the Yajurveda Aranyaka. By exploring these texts, we uncover the transition from external rites to introspective wisdom within the Vedic tradition. Introduction. The Yajurveda Aranyaka, a significant component of Vedic literature, serves as a bridge between the elaborate Yajurveda rituals and the profound philosophical inquiries of the Upanishads. The term Aranyaka denotes a text that's read or contemplated upon in seclusion, often within a forest setting. These texts encapsulate the transition from external rites to inner contemplation. Distinct characteristics. The Yajurveda Aranyaka texts stand out for their synthesis of ritualistic elements and spiritual introspection. They move beyond the external aspects of rituals to explore the symbolic, cosmic, and philosophical meanings underlying the rituals. Notable texts in this category include the Taittiriya Aranyaka and the Maitreya Upanishad. Themes and structure. The core theme of the Yajurveda Aranyaka is the internal interpretation of the Yajurvedic rituals. These texts delve into the allegorical interpretations of rituals, connecting them to cosmic principles, deities, and spiritual truths. The structure often mimics the sequence of rituals, guiding readers through layers of symbolism and introspection. Symbolism and mysticism. The Yajurveda Aranyaka texts explore the esoteric dimensions of rituals and their correlation with the metaphysical realm. They emphasize the interconnectedness of the material and spiritual worlds, often deciphering rituals as profound metaphors for understanding the nature of existence and the divine order. Inner contemplation and philosophical insights. While retaining a focus on rituals, the Yajurveda Aranyaka texts provide glimpses of philosophical insights and inner contemplation. These texts encourage seekers to go beyond external observances and contemplate the deeper meanings of life and existence. They serve as a precursor to the more extensive philosophical inquiries found in the Upanishads. Contributions and legacy. The Yajurveda Aranyaka texts have a substantial impact on the evolution of Vedic thought. They contribute to the transformation of external rituals into a vehicle for inner contemplation and philosophical reflection. These texts laid the groundwork for the exploration of deeper spiritual truths and the quest for self-realization in subsequent philosophical developments. Relevance today. In an era where people seek to balance the external and internal aspects of their lives, the Yajurveda Aranyaka holds relevance. Its emphasis on moving beyond ritualistic acts to inner contemplation and philosophical insights resonates with modern seekers navigating the complexities of existence. Conclusion. The Yajurveda Aranyaka occupies a vital space in the Vedic tradition, embodying the transition from rituals to contemplation. Through their allegorical interpretations, metaphysical insights, and encouragement of introspection, these texts offer a gateway to the deeper dimensions of Vedic thought. They stand as a testament to the ancient wisdom that recognized the interconnectedness of rituals, consciousness, and the cosmos, pointing the way toward inner transformation and spiritual understanding.